everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adriana, also known as Snuggles. Now for the ingredients, you are gonna need your specific type of meat. I am using ground turkey, of course. I'm using ground turkey instead of ground beef for the less fattening and making the meal just a little bit healthier. Shredding the cheese, and then I'm also going to be shredding the lettuce. Shredding the lettuce is just making it more fine. Next, I will be cutting up some avocados and basically kind of doing guacamole. This is going to be topping for half of my taco dip side. Guacamole, add some lemon, some salt, and just mix. Mix. So for the bottom layer, obviously you're going to place your meat, and you guys can do it in whichever order that you wish. I always do the lettuce next, and then cheese, and then like I said, for half of it I will be putting guacamole, and I did my best. I wish I had a little bottle, like a used ketchup bottle, but I sadly did not. I did my best to do a spider web with a spoon, and I struggled, but it still came out looking like one, sort of. Now, the one thing I did forget to do was place a couple of the plastic spiders on it, but it still was delicious. Of course, the spiders are not edible, but everything was delicious. And then you're gonna enjoy, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Please subscribe, like, comment, share, and don't forget to check out my podcast, which is linked down below. We Need to Talk with Adriana on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts, and many more.